हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सो कोई बच्चा निकालिया सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 8 9। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ एरर देखना है, दैट इज़ 2x² + 4 × 2x + 7। देखो कितना बनेगा 2x² + 4 × 2x + 7. So 2x² is your 2 to the 4 and x² is x² plus 4 × 2 is 8x plus 7. So any term बननी चाहिए थी, but it is equals to 2x² plus 8x plus 7. That is wrong. So the correct question is that is equals to 4x² plus 8x plus 7. So in next part, that is your 2x² plus 5x is equals to कितना बन रहा है देखो, चेक करते हैं। 2² is 4, x² is plus 5x. So this is your answer, 4x² plus 5x, but this is wrong and this 9x is also wrong. So this is equals to 4x² plus 5x. That is your correct question. So next is your in question number 9, it is 3x plus 2 whole square. So we know that formula for a plus b whole square is your, that is a² plus b² plus 2ab. So what is the value of a? A value is 3x. So 3x whole square plus, first is a², next is b², b value is 2 plus 2² plus 2a. A value is 3x, b value is 2. So on solving, what we will obtain? We will obtain 9x² plus 4 plus 3 to the 6 to the 12x. So this is your required equation. So this is your 3x², that is wrong, 6x not. So this is your required equation, 9x² plus 12x plus 4. So next question is find and correct the errors in the following mathematical equations. So we have to find this error. So on putting the value of x is equals to -3 in this first part. So first part is your x² plus 5x plus 4. So we have to put the value of x to be -3. So on putting -3 instead of this x plus 5 into -3 and last term is your 4. So the square of negative term is always positive. The square of negative term is always positive. -3 square means -3 is multiplied 2 times. Plus 5 into -3 plus 4. So -3 into -3 is minus into minus in multiplication is plus. So 9. So 5 into -13 is -3 is 5 3 the 15 plus 4. So on solving, what we will obtain? So first we add the plus terms. 9 plus 4 is your 13 minus 15 is your -2. So -2 is your correct answer, but here the answer is 15, so that is wrong. So this is equals to minus of 2. Next we will try the second part, that is x² minus 5x plus 4. x² minus 5x. Second part is your x² minus 5x plus 4. So we have to put the value of x to be -3. So -3 square minus 5 of -3 plus 4. So on putting this -3 square is -3 is multiplied 2 times. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus 4. So again it is so it is minus. So minus is plus. So this is minus. So minus of minus 5 into -3 is plus. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 15 plus 4. So on adding, what we will obtain? 13 plus 15, that is 28. 28 is your required answer. So this answer is equals to 28, but in this it is solved to be minus. So this is wrong. In last part, x² plus 5x. So in third part, it is x² plus 5x. So we have to put the value of x to be -3. So -3 square plus 5 into -3. So -3 square is -3 into -3 plus 5 into -3. So -3 into -3 is 9. 5 into -3 is 5 3 are 15. On solving, plus minus and sign of bigger term. So -6 is your required answer. So -6 is your required answer, but here it is solved to be -24. So that is wrong. So next question is question number 11. So we have to find the error, that is your y minus 3 whole square. So it is y minus 3 whole square. So we know that formula for a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the formula. Here the value of a is equals to y, the value of b is equals to 3. So we will use this formula. A square means y square plus b square means 3 square minus 2, a means y and b is 3. So y square plus 3 square is 9 minus 6y. So that is your answer. That is y square plus 9 minus 6y. Y square plus 9 minus 6y. That is your answer. But here the answer is y square minus 9. So that is wrong. In your question number 12, it is z plus 5 whole square. So z plus 5 whole square. So we know that formula for a plus b whole square is your a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can also write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the answer is same in both the cases. You can use any of this formula. So here the value of a is z, the value of b is equals to 5. So we will use the formula, that is a square means z square plus b square. B square is your 5 square plus 2 into a is your z, b is your 5. So on solving, what we will obtain? Z square, 5 square is 25 plus 5 to the 10, 10z. So that is your answer, z square plus 25 minus plus 10z. So that is wrong. Z square plus 25 is wrong. So this is your correct answer. Next we will use the expression, that is 2a plus 3b into a minus b. So we have to solve this term. So there is no formula for that. So we will solve this, that is 2a plus 3b into a minus b. 2a plus 3b into a minus b. 2a plus 3b into a minus b. We have to prove that this is equals to a square minus 3b square. We have to check it is correct or incorrect. So we know that in 4 terms, first this first term is multiplied to this both term, and in this second term is multiplied to this both term. It means this 2a is multiplied to a minus b, plus this second term is your 3b is also multiplied to this term a minus b. On solving, 2a is multiplied to first term, 2a is multiplied to second term. So 2a is 2a square minus 2a b, and this 3b is also multiplied to both the term. So we will obtain plus 3ab minus 3b square. So this is plus minus, so 2a square plus minus minus and sign of bigger term. So 3ab minus 2ab is ab minus 3b square. So we will obtain the answer to be 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. So here there is no ab, so here answer is 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. So next is your question number 14. Question number 14 is again same as that of this question, a plus b, a plus 2. So it is not a plus b, it is a plus 4. In answer it is a plus 4. So this is a plus 4 into a plus 2. So we will solve this, a plus 4 into a plus 2. So first of all, this a is multiplied to whole term, that is a multiplied by this a plus 2, and next this 4 is multiplied by this whole a plus 2 term. Next this a is multiplied to first term as well as second term, this 4 is multiplied to first term as well as second term. So we will obtain a into a is a square, a into 2a is 2a, plus 4 into a is your 4a, and 4 into 2 is 8. So on solving, we will obtain a square plus 2a plus 4a is your 6a plus 8. So a square plus 6a plus 8. So there is not 6a in the question, so this is your wrong. So a square plus 6a plus 8 is your required answer. So next is your question number 15. Question number 15, you have to solve this mathematical expression a minus 4 into a minus 2. So same, we can solve this a minus 4 into a minus 2. So this a is multiplied to this whole term, that is a into a minus 2, then sign of this minus, 4 into this 4 is multiplied to this whole term, that is a minus 2. Next this a is multiplied to first term as well as second term, and this 4 is multiplied to first term as well as second term. So we will obtain a square minus 2a. So this is your minus of bracket term is 4a minus 4 to the 8. If there is minus sign outside the bracket, then sign of inner terms will change. So this is plus 4a, it will become minus 4a, and this is minus 8, that will become plus 8. So on solving, what we will obtain, a square minus minus plus and sign of bigger term, that's minus 6a plus 8. So a square minus 6a plus 8 is your answer. A square minus 6a plus 8 is your answer. So this statement is your incorrect.